If you're looking for a cookie recipe you can make with kids, this one's perfect. It's a simple one-bowl recipe that comes together in minutes and no complicated steps. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. This one's going to be a fun baking recipe, so get your little ones along to join in. Taking our first ingredient, we will take room temperature unsalted butter. You could also substitute this with the same ratio of high-fat margarine. To this we will add the caster sugar. You can take home ground powdered sugar or jaggery too. But avoid taking icing sugar, as we're looking for the crisp texture in the cookies. And most importantly, they also help the cookies from going flat on baking. Now all you need to do is cream the butter and sugar until you get a smooth consistency. This looks good. Since it's an eggless recipe, we will add some room temperature milk to add that extra moisture to the dough. Avoid using water as it may not give the creamy consistency we are looking for. Plus, it's the milk that gives a beautiful caramel-like color to the baked cookies. Give it a gentle mix until it all comes together. This looks good. Now go ahead and add the dry ingredients, that is the all-purpose flour, along with baking powder and baking soda. This helps give that gentle rise to the cookies, plus prevents the center from sinking, and at the same time creates a lighter texture. Now gently mix it in until it all comes together. Avoid over mixing though. And like I mentioned, it's a no mess recipe because we won't be kneading the dough, and that's why this recipe can be a great fun activity with your little ones. Once done, go ahead and add some chopped chocolate. You could use mini chocolate chips if you have, and set aside a few for later. Now at this point, you don't need to restrict yourself with just chocolate. You could add any other ingredient like peanut or even candied orange peel. I'm sure you've got some great ideas too. Do share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And now, go ahead and bring in your baking tray lined with parchment paper. And it's time to hand it over to the little chefs now. I've cut the tip of the bag just enough to give us a tiny little dollops of dough. Simply squeeze holding the bag upright. And don't worry about the shape. Just make sure to keep them even and spaced out, as they will spread a little on baking. And while the kids are at it, they can pipe swirls of zigzag or even letters. Just an imagination, and so much fun and laughter all together. Now this part is optional, but then who doesn't love extra chocolate? So go ahead and add a few if you like. And the best part about this recipe is that you don't have to refrigerate them. Go ahead and pop it in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. And these will be baked at a lower temperature, making sure they bake through without burning. And here they are, tiny little bite-sized cookies, small enough to pop it in one go, don't you think? It's the kind of recipe that kids love to make. And the grown-ups would surely love to sneak a bite, I think. Perfectly baked with a slight dome, and the bottom looks just right, light and airy. I couldn't help myself but make another batch, just in time for the kids to enjoy the fun evening snack with friends. And these cookies are so doable. Just a quick mix, a few minutes in the oven, And you've got golden chocolate chip cookies ready to pop in. And if you'd like more such easy recipes from my ebook, simply drop in a comment and I'll share the link with you. Time to see how they've turned out on the inside. I love how light and airy they feel. So easy to swap them with a morning cereal snack too. Crisp little tender crumbs. Do give it a try and let me know. Thank you for watching. Happy baking. Bye for now.